Welcome again, everyone. This is Mr. E, and this is the last of our integer operations videos. And we're going to do multiplying and dividing integers. And this is typically students' most favorite, so I've saved the best for last. Let's get started. So I learned a long time ago that multiplication is combining equal groups. So you know 3 times 4 is 3 groups of 4. Or let's be a little more specific, it's 3 groups of positive 4. Well, we can use that same idea for negatives. So 3 times negative 4 is 3 groups of negative 4. So 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. So we already know this one. Now we know this one. So far we have 3 times 4 is 12, and 3 times negative 4 is a negative 12. But what about negative 3 times negative 4? Well, the best way I can explain negative 3 times negative 4 is really it's just the opposite of 3 times negative 4. So 3 times negative 4 we know is negative 12. Negative 3 times negative 4 is positive 12. It's the opposite. So there we have our 3 options. If you're wondering what the 4th is, we just switch these numbers around. Right? So that's pretty much multiplying integers right there. A positive times a positive gives you a positive number. A positive times a negative is a negative. And a negative times a negative is positive. Now, if that's a bit confusing, see if you can remember this. When I have the same signs, or if both of them are positive, both of them are negative, my answer has to be positive. Negative, negative gives me a positive. Positive, positive gives me a positive. When my signs are different, my product is negative. Same sign positive, different sign negative. And please remember, this is only true for multiplication and division. This is only true for multiplication and division. Let's do a few examples. So 6 times negative 4 is negative 24. Different sign, negative. Negative 6 times negative 4. Same sign, positive. Negative 6 times 4, different sign, negative. Negative 8 times 4, different sign, negative. Negative 8 times negative 4, same sign, positive. Okay, let's go through the rest of them. Number 6, different sign, negative, 56. Same sign, positive, 56. You don't have to write the positive sign, I'm just writing that down for emphasis. Different sign, number 8, different sign, negative. Number 9, different sign, negative. Number 10, same sign, positive. Okay. Let's see, we're at 4 minutes and 15 seconds. All right, let's just go through real quickly dividing integers, at least the rule. So the rule for dividing is pretty much the same. It actually is the same. Same sign, positive. Positive 12, positive 4. Same sign, positive. Different sign, negative. Different sign, negative. All right, when we come back, we'll just go through these. And actually, you know what? Let's go ahead and finish up. So 6 divided by negative 3, different sign, negative. Negative 6 divided by negative 3, same sign, positive. Negative 6 divided by negative 3, different sign, negative. 6 divided by 3, we know is 2, and that's twice. Sorry about that. Different sign, number 6, negative. Same sign, positive. Number 8, different sign, negative. Same sign, positive. Different sign, negative. Okay, and again, that's why multiplying and dividing is everybody's favorite. Talk to you soon.